Welcome to 2230 Silver Pine Drive in Glenview, Illinois. The homeowners were having problems with woodpeckers and they were tired of repainting their home. They also wanted better curb appeal, to define their entry with a new canopy, to freshen up the garage doors, and to redo the roof because it was aged and began to leak. Their cedar siding was also rotting out, which meant that they wanted to redo the entire design of their house while still respecting the design that they had before. Our design consultants use 3D modeling software to accurately represent the client's home after all the renovations are completed. In conjunction, our fantastic construction crew brings the designs created by our design consultants to life by patiently developing a beautiful reconstruction. The materials used in this project included James Hardie siding in the color Countrylane red, James Hardie trim in the color timber bark, and Marvin Elevate windows and ProVia Doors to replace the old windows and doors. Our goal at Siding and Windows Group is to leave every client satisfied by the end of their experience with us, and these homeowners absolutely loved the finished product of their home's renovation. They appreciated that we could take their visions and make them a reality, but also that our prices stayed within their budget, granting them the confidence in their decision to work with us. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.